Welcome back. I can see that you're all ready to start. Just like Lily and Frank up here. So, today's sound is O. 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 Let's take a look at some pictures. Please repeat after me.
O lamp. O lollipop. O lion. O lemon. O lettuce.
I love the way you said all those words. Well done. Now, watch me draw a leg. 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 Now watch me write the O. 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 Leg. O. Leg. O. And they look the same, don't they? Leg. O. Let me show you something. Leg. 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 And I bet something's hiding behind it. Oh. Oh. Leg. Leg. Oh. 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 Leg. Oh. Leg. Hey, I think we can play our game now. I know you got used to this by now, but let me remind you. When you see the picture, you say leg. When you see the sound, you say oh. Leg. Oh. Ready? Faster. Great job! I would like you to say the sounds very quickly as soon as they appear on screen. Off we go. Please prepare something to write on because you're soon going to practice some writing. But first, let's start by writing O in air, saying the phrase. Down the long leg. Down the long leg. Now, let me try and write it. Down the long leg. Now, it's your turn to write it. So grab your pencil and let's do it together. Ready? Don't forget to say the phrase. Down the long leg. Wow, I love how you wrote the O. Great job. Now, right. O. O. Let me try and write the O. O. It's your turn this time. Grab your pencil. Ready? O. Wow, you're great writers. It's time for some speed writing. You are going to write a few sounds that you already know. Frank and I are watching you, but I would like to see an adult by your side. Ready? I would like you to write the sound S. Next, P. Next, D. Great job! It's time to play with sounds and words in word time. Let me remind you that this game has got two parts. In the first part, I will say the sounds and words and you repeat after me. In the second part, I will just say the sounds and you say the word. Off we go. O, ap, lap. O, it, lit. O, ad, lad. O, et, let. O, og, log. O, ap, lap. O, it, lit, you're right. O, ad, lad. O, et, let. O, og, log. Super duper! Well done! We're all impressed because you know your sound really well now. Keep on practicing. Thanks for joining us. It's time for us to go now. But it was really great watching you learn. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye from Miss Sharon, Lily and Frank. Goodbye.